Good Modike morning. Welcome back once again to our new video learning session. We get lots of calls from consultants asking us where to see the business tools and can we download the same. In fact, business tools plays a very vital role in building our business. Hence, it is very important that you all should know where to view the business tools and how to download and then how to view the same. Log on to Modicare website through Google Chrome, enter Modicare address www.modicare.com, and in the next page click on sign in and click here as login as a consultant and enter your MCA number and password and enter the answer here and log in. Once you log in, you get another page. Close this, go to the extreme left. Here you can see one icon which is business tools. Click here. You can see first one as training presentations and second one is product leaflet. Now let's go one by one. Click training presentation. You can see all the categories here. You can see wellness, skincare, fruit of the earth, skincare, Shloka, urban color, personal care, velocity, food and beverage, fresh movements, home care, laundry care, auto care, and agriculture. Now, if you want to see the details of any category, so click the category. For example, I'm selecting wellness. Once you click that, you can see there are 105 slides. So you can either go through the slide one by one if you want to see now, or you can go to this icon, simply click. It is in the downloadable format. Select the place where you want to download. I'm downloading here in desktop and save. You can see wellness product training has been saved. Now you go back to your desktop and click here. You can see wellness product training. Open with Adobe and you can see the entire presentation. You can see page by page. You can go through it whenever you get time. You can go through it once you download the entire file in your desktop. Now, similar way, you can see and download all the category whichever you want to learn. Okay, it is very simple. Now go back to this tools, business tool, click here. The second part of this tools are product leaflets. So click product leaflets. You can see again some categories. There are many categories here. For example, if you want to see about Arogya, Modicare Arogya brochures, click here. Once you click, you can go to the next page. You can see Arogya leaflet is in Bengali, Gujarati, Malayalam, Oriya, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada. If you want to download and read it later, for example, I'm selecting Telugu, Arogya Cover Telugu. Click here and click once again here. This is reading. It may take some 5 or 10 seconds. Now you can see Arogya brochure in your own language. Here I have selected Telugu. You can see this. And if you want to download, it is simple. Click here, select the place where you want to download and save it. This will be saved in my desktop. I can see the same Modicare Arogya booklet. Open with Adobe, and you can see the same in your own language. Now all business tools are in your fingertips. So this is how you can download the brochures or presentation and learn by yourself and build the business. Okay, so I'm sure you have learned on downloading the business tools and you can read by yourself anytime. I am sure that the information shared today was quite useful. So share this video to all your friends, all your consultants, all your team members. We will come back once again with new informative learning video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.